the day after I left for Hawaii, so I've had it for a couple weeks. So now I'm just getting around to sharing this, but this is the Eyescream Beauty. I'm going to do the bag first that I got. This month face, or you can use it kind of like a highlighter. But anyway, there we go. That's our first product. And the value of that is $25. The next fruit skewer there, so I'm assuming it's probably going to be bright colors like fruit colors. So anyway, there's that. That's the bag. And so we're going to get to the box, which is in a bag this month. Let's see what we have here on the card. Here's the card they send with it, just a little card. Tells you what's in there. Talks a little bit about their subscription. Has a QR code on the back. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty packaging. See, it has like a texture on it.